Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm be showing you connecting your bank account to cryptocurrency exchanges. Without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Connecting your TD Bank's online account to cryptocurrency. The first method that you can do is link TD Bank directly inside the exchange. This is most common. Simply log into the exchange, open up your exchange app on the website, and then simply go to the payments, funding or link account. Next step is to add a bank account. Simply choose add bank account or link bank and select ACH bank transfer. The next step is to enter TD Bank details. Simply enter your TD routing number and checking account number and confirm account while checking. The next is to verify the bank. The exchange sends 2 small deposits. Check your TD account in 1 to 2 business days and return to the exchange once are confirmed. Once verified, the link is active. Now, if you're connecting your Barclays bank account to cryptocurrency exchanges, what you need to do is simply open up your crypto exchange, then open up your crypto exchange. Go to the payments, funding or deposit CVP, select bank transfer UK or faster payments, and you'll be shown the exchange UK's bank details. Then next is to open the Barclays bank application and simply tap on the payments option. Then once you're inside the option, what you need to do is add the exchange as a pay. Simply tap on pay, person or company, and choose add new pay. Enter the pay name, sort code, account number and reference, and the reference links to the payment to your exchange account. Next step is to send a test transfer. Enter a small amount, review the details carefully, and then tap on pay. Faster payments usually are within minutes but can take up to 2 hours. Step 5 is confirming funds in the exchange. Simply open the exchange app, go to the balances or GB wallet, confirm the deposit arrived, and once successfully, future transfers are much faster. Next is connecting your Citibank's online account to cryptocurrency exchange. What you need to do is simply open the exchange app on the website, go to the payments, funding or linked accounts option and select add a bank account and then select ACH transfer. The next is to enter Citibank details, choose manual banking link and enter Citi routing number, your checking account number and confirm account type, and never share your Citi name credentials. Next step is to verify your micro deposits. The exchange sends 2 small deposits. Simply check your Citi account in 1 to 2 business days and return the exchange and enter the exact amounts. Once verified, the account is linked. Next method is send ACH transfers from Citi. Open the Citi mobile bank application and then tap on the menu option and then select payments and transfers. Select external transfers and now add the exchange as an external account by entering the ACH details provided by the exchange. Save and verify if prompted. And next step is to send funds. Choose the amount and date and then submit the transfer, which takes 1 to 3 business days. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.